To combine first and last names in Excel, you can use the concatenate function or the AND operator. To use the concatenate function, select cell you want to display result. Go Formulas. Go Text. Select concat function. Select cells you want to combine. And hit OK. As you can see, we need space between first and last name, so instead of going manually, insert one column. Select the first cell and hit space on your keyboard. Now drag the edge to apply space to all the cells below. Now do the same, but make sure to select the row with empty space. And now drag the cell to apply the formula below. And there you have it. Combining first and last names in Excel is a useful tool for creating a full name column in your spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to check out the free playlist in the description below to learn more about Excel. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks.